All the dudes out there that struggle with their hip mobility, we're really focused on Ryan staying open here and working through the hip. So we're using the hand and the lean on the torso to help him stay nice and upright. If this crunches, we're no longer using here, we're using all this, which is where Ryan needs to be. So we get external rotation and then hip extension. Really nice job. Last one, Ryan. Okay, so it's all about making sure we don't crunch that rib cage towards the hip. The hand is a nice assist. Lots of hip flexor work, lots of lower abdominal work, lots of hip internal rotation work. 10 out of 10, Ryan. Well done, mate. Do the other side. Okay, now push the knee into the roller and lift the foot again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot goes down and then windmill back round to the start with the hand.
The big thing with that.
Okay, now push the knee into the roller and lift the foot again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot goes down and then windmill back round to the start with the hand.
The big thing with that.
Okay, now push the knee into the roller and lift the foot again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot goes down and then windmill back round to the start with the hand.